Hey guys, so it is a video on how to change the rubber insert on the 23 EUV, but it should work on the older models as well. And that's the EV variant. So first, for the front, both sides, just push this button and take the front wiper out like that. And then for the rear, to take this plastic piece off, all you have to do is pull on the side, slip it forward like that, and then have to take the blade off, lift up on this tab, and then slide the wiper to the right, like that. And that's how you take, sorry, one hand, come on, there you go. Now you can put a towel underneath there, but I didn't think of it, so there you go. That's how you take it off. For the rear wiper, it's held on by these clips here, so you can either squeeze in or get a pair of pliers, pinch it, like that, okay? And then they're held on by two metal rods like this. Just remember, you put it in the bottom groove. Again, just make sure this groove here is facing out. Kind of even it up there, and then just slip it back through there. Spots. And then slip it back in. Like that. For the front blades, there are it's like a stop. Let me see if we can show it. So these here like snaps onto it. So how you take it off, how do you take this off to slip in the rubber insert? Just lift, just lift this. Try to put some pressure on one side. You see it kind of came out already. And then do the same thing on the other side. Lift that, and then should just slide out like that. Then you can slip out the insert. See, it goes on the bottom groove there. So I already replaced these. I'm not going to take them out, but you would basically slide them in and then pull on the other side like that. Make sure it sits back like that, and then what you do is slip the end back on. Okay, and then to put the fronts back on, you just slide it back in. Slide it back into the groove. That. Same thing on the other side. For the rear, I forgot to mention, if this piece does fall off and you put it back on, just make sure you push until you hear a click. So like this. Let's see what I can do. One hand, come on. There you go. Yeah, sits in like that. Now we can slip it back on. Okay, let's see. There we go. And that sits back in there. Cool. And this plastic piece, make sure that slide into that groove or line up with it. Then back.